Best seat in the house. Port bow. And then a pretty awesome view. How much wind do we have?
12 knots, pretty steady. Just about a meter or two of swell. Fairly comfortable, nice long period.
What's our speed?
We are going between 6 and 8 knots. Around about 7, I guess. Yeah.
Alright.
Pretty nice. Sail.
It is pretty nice out. Let's see if I can get down there. Whoop.
Came from over here. This is our this yellow line here is our track line. That's Moorea. This island here is Moorea. And we're going to hop into a little anchorage. I think we're going to try to tuck in over here. And you can see our speed up here.
Oh, yeah. Got an 8 for a second.
Yeah, depending if we're going up a wave or down a wave. We're between 6 and 8.
Oh, the wind's dropping. It was 14 earlier. 10. Well, it's coming. We're in Moorea.
Moorea.
It's pretty awesome.
Super tropical island with crazy
Yeah, crazy mountain peaks everywhere.
mountains and trees. And yeah, let's enjoy it.
Yeah, we just got in today. Bye.
Day 4 COVID test. The airport. We get this little kit and an envelope. Today's the 4th day of being here, so I'm gonna follow the little instructions.
You have to do a buccal swab and a nasal swab.
Yeah.
Which looks not so bad as.
And just follow the pictures.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Easy peasy.
Nasal swab. Touching the tip. Yeah, insert it to resistance revenue circle 4 times. 2, 3, 4. You need to do a second nostril with the same swab. 4. Then we got a little marking on there, right with me. Stick it in the little sampling tube. Alright. Okay. Put it several times inside both cheeks. Top and bottom of the tongue. Palate. No, that's different. Lower and upper. Oh, got it. Lower and upper gums. All over. And then I break it, like the other one. Goes in the same tube. Move it up. Turn the tube 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I can still see the tip. It's gotta go further. Oral health is important. Yeah, brushing your teeth a little bit. Tongue, palate. Yeah. Alright.
How do you like scooting?
It's alright.
How do you like the bees when you're scooting?
Yeah. The bee got me when we were scooting, and I think it hit the front of the scooter and bounced off and stung the first thing that it hit, which was my foot, my ankle.
Nice, but look at that water. Beautiful. Fancy. And here's our trusty little scooter. The 125. Pretty fun. Hey, how fast do you think we're going?
our first night anchoring in Moorea, we anchored in Oponohu Bay. And at the base of the bay, there's like a little road that goes up into the hills. Followed it up here with the scooter we rented, and it's just like, it's this area with all these marais, which is, I guess that means shrine. So it's like they built these rocks and stuff for ceremonial rituals. This is like 1,000 of them in the bay. Can you imagine like lifting these rocks to build all these things? Kind of cool. This whole area's got a bunch of trails, and they actually look like they're well marked too.
It does.
Very cool background. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Here, wait. Can we see that mountain? The clouds are parting a little bit.
And a rooster.
Yeah, where'd the rooster go? There he is. Roosters and chickens everywhere. One bay over there, which we are anchored in. And then that's, I guess that's Cook Bay over there. We're having a little snack. Look up.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Oh, show me inside. Up. Too fast. Wait. There we go. Zap it. Yeah, it's good. How is it? It's good?
It's good. It's like sweet and sour at the same time. Had these
Crunchy.
little pits, but man, they crunch.
Yeah.
You can eat them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye! Oh, now I get to sit, hang out at the beach, and wait for him to walk back. And there's Rob, Ceci, and Josh at the dinghy. We're about to head out for a walk. Oh. It's dangerous. A piece went flying over here. Hey, that was easier than expected. Do it again into manageable pieces, you could just chomp on them with your teeth.